like to give a huge shout out to all of the Pep squads, always hyping up the players and of course the fans na laging pumupunta sa bawat arena para suportahan ng kanilang mga kupunan. At the half, our score is 48 for Mapua, 44 for the EAC Generals. It's been a game of runs, and let's take a look at some of the action in the first quarter. Ito yung reverse layup ni Clint Escamis na pinutback ni JC Recto. And then, Shanoda scoring the first points para sa EAC. Recto having a productive first half on the offensive end. At ito naman yung wraparound ni Deo Lucero, Coach.
Yes, ang ganda talaga. No? Marami tayong nakita magaganda. Pero syempre, nag-shift yung tempo nung game. Dati, kanina, it was EAC Generals, tapos biglang nag-shift sa yung tempo naman sa Mapua Cardinals.
There was a point in the game where Mapua led by 8. They were up 36-28. And then EAC started to make a run. Kaya dumikit na ulit itong ating laro. And Clint Escamis was the main reason why lumamang ng 8 itong defending champions.
Laking bagay talaga. Para siguro, alam nila na it's Clint's time pagdating ng mga second quarter. Lahat nakascore na, lahat involved na, lahat. So, it's his time and nakita nila he's really their leaders and kailangan rin niya ng touches. Kaya si Clint talaga kanina pinakita niya na ilang baskets yun. Siguro 3-4 baskets in a row. Sunod-sunod. Hindi siya mahinto.
An aggressive Clint is good for Mapua. That's what led them to a championship. And that's what ended the 33-year title drought. And that's what they're trying to rediscover here in season 101 as we take a look at the numbers. At kitang-kita naman, mas agresibo yung Mapua. 19 free throw attempts, Coach.
Yes, 19 free throws and they made 14. And pero sa EAC Generals, medyo hindi sila masyado nakaka-free throw. It's just 5 of 7 lang. But yung bench points naman, it's EAC Generals na they got 32 points compared naman sa Mapua Cardinals ng 10 lang. But sa field goal percentage, hindi nagkakalayo. 46% sa EAC Generals, 44% lang para sa Mapua Cardinals.
Now we take a look at the leading scorers. Escamis and Recto each have 11. So that's a good sign for Mapua fans. Sa EAC naman, Lucero, Angeles, both have 9. Team captain Nico Quinal with 5. But the concern here for Mapua is Cyrus Cuenco has not scored in this game. He's been ice cold as of late. In the last game, 0 for 11 from beyond the arc. Today, isa pa lang yung ina-attempt ni Cyrus mula sa labas.
Medyo gun-shy si Cyrus ngayon eh. Baka I don't know if it's an instruction coming from their coach na involve mo yung teammates mo. Be a passer like what Ochavo did last game na siguro naka-assist siya namang around 10. Same goes dito kay Chavo ngayon. Medyo hindi ginagamit because of Lucero's game. Ganda, lalaro. So, baka siguro it's just a team play lang. It's a team play. It's within the system lang. It's working within the system.
Well, let's see what adjustments both teams will make here in the second half. Again, EAC is playing without their leading scorer, Wilmar Oftana. Oftana out with an allergic attack. So we wish him well. And, hopefully he'll be back in the next game. Second half officially underway. Castillo gets it down low to Jude Bagay. Escamis comes for the double team. Pamandak back to Bagay. Bagay in the post against Nitura. Bagay with a fadeaway.
Yan ang mga talagang pinupuntahan niya. He's when in doubt, go to Jude Bagay. Kulang na lang, double na ng Mapua to eh. Next time around, pag tumawa pa to ng dalawa, I'm sure double team will come.
Cuenco is starting this second half. What a block by Bacud. Cuenco with a steal. Cuenco. Binigay kay Concepcion. Power dribble. Nitura. Turnaround. Jump hook is good for Cyrus.
Ganda nun. Nakita niya, hinarangan yung kita. jump hook using the glass. Sure ball talaga.
Bagay. Bagay. Chavo, back to Bagay. Bagay. Basket is good for Jude Bagay.
Smart move. Dalawang beses na yan. Pero nakita mo si Clint, he's trying to show sa yung a-attack siya sa middle, pero meron pala siyang quick pull up.
Escamis. And that's gonna be a foul on Castillo. Ito yung fadeaway ni Jude Bagay. Cuenco for 3. Still can't break the ice. Castillo. Omandak. Omandak under goal stab does not work. Escamis up ahead. Escamis to Cuenco.
Medyo overpassing si Clint Escamis doon. Panira na.
Bagay.
3 straight. Bagay na bagay. Ang 3 straight baskets.
Tapla na tayo. 50 all. Oh.
Grabe ang hustle ni Paco Dron.
Bagay. Will it be another basket? Castillo for 3. Short. Escamis. Cuenco. Back to Clint. Clint downhill. Back to Cyrus. Cyrus decides to drive.
Medyo tentative si Cyrus sa mga penetrations niya ngayon, pati jump shot.
Yeah, I'm scratching my head at this. Looked like an easy layup for Clint Escamis. Decided to pass it. And then Cyrus Cuenco could have also taken that 3. Decided to drive.
Medyo tentative sila ngayon. Pero nakita mo, they're in constant communication dito sa floor, dito sa Mapua Cardinals. Just that talagang nagkakaroon lang ng miscommunication.
The head coach of the EAC Generals, certificates for sending to a non-call. Yan Concepcion shooting 2.
First free throw is good for Yam Concepcion.
He's a glue guy, no? Concepcion.
Yeah, you can see Cyrus. If that was the Cyrus Cuenco of the previous game, titira yun. But he decided to drive. And luckily, Concepcion got fouled.
Pero alam mo, si Ochavo, sneaky guy, quick hands. Galing din talaga ng defender.
Ochavo. Ochavo. Castillo, baseline jumper. No. Bagay, another one.
4th straight.
Jude Bagay going on a run all by himself.
An undersized forward, no? At 6'1", 6'1", 6'2".
Makibalita muna tayo kay Flo Delagua.
Clog the lane of the other court. Anton and Coach Jerry, that is the very simple main instruction of Coach Gerson Cabildes, the head coach of the EAC Generals, in terms of their game plan here in the latter periods. Yes, Coach Gerson recognizes that Mapua is struggling from the outside, but he still wants all bases covered, and as with their game plan, he wants to make Mapua's drives more difficult. He ended their huddle by saying, binubuhay na rin tayo ng ating rebounds sa first half, so I want to see you continue controlling this game. Your thoughts, gentlemen?
Escamis. Escamis pulls up for 3.
Holding foul number 1, marking the advantage, his first whistle.
Coach Gerson Cabildes calls a timeout. We'll be back. pa natin dyan. The Emilians and the Mapuans here at the Mall of Asia Arena.
Yun. Parang alam nilang ipopokus sila sa camera eh, no?
Yun yung inaabangan nila eh. They have their cell phones out. Ochavo bringing the ball down for the Generals. Escamis is on him. Bagay in the post against Recto. Si Recto na tumao dito kay Bagay. Bagay fade away. De Los Reyes trying to tap into himself. Ball ends up in the hands of JC. Cyrus Cuenco on the drive. Nabitawan ng bola. Gives it to Escamis. Escamis scores!
Parang mahirap talaga pigilan si Escamis pag nakabuelo.
Omandak. Bagay. And Bagay will head to the line for two.
Smart move. Alam na ni Bagay eh. Medyo baka pagod na rin eh. Kita niya, pagod na. Wala ng legs. You know? Dinikit niya na sa katawan.
Castillo absorbing the momentum of Clint Escamis as he went up for that drive. Bagay carrying the load para dito sa koponan ni Coach Gerson Cabiltes.
Talagang yan ang mga kailangan mo sa team. Go-to guy. Pero crucial. When in doubt, pasa mo lang dito. Puntos ito.
Meron ng 10 puntos, Coach. Si Jude Bagay.
Oo. Mahirap talaga hanapin yung mga ganyang klaseng player.
Mapua has the numbers. Recto to Escamis. Escamis spin move. Clint Escamis!
Gandang spin yun. Coming from the MVP.
We are now starting to see the real Clint Escamis. He's been missing. Escamis has been missing these past couple of games.
Yes.
Pero eto na yung tunay. Escamis spins and finishes at the rim. And against one of EAC's best defenders too.
Yes. Loris, no? Hindi siya na-intimidate to, ha? O ito, sige. Blockin mo nga ito. But si Bakod, ha? Na meron siyang sneaky shot para dito sa big guy na Mapua.
Second free throw para kay Bakod. In and out. De Los Reyes with the board. Gonzalez.
You know, that's a no-no. You know, if you trap, dapat talaga yan. Walang gap yan eh. Pag tumatrap ka ng ganyan.
Ochavo. Bagay. Ochavo. Ochavo. Oh, Ochavo loses his footing. Cardinals have the numbers. Recto to Concepcion.
Good assist coming from Recto, JC Recto.
Castillo. Castillo. Steps back, fade away. EJ Castillo.
Grabe mga hesitation move. EJ Castillo.
Yeah, Castillo just moving at his own pace. Kayo, sumabay sa akin. Gonzalez drains the triple wide open. Balikan lamang dito sa Mapua.
Hindi pwedeng tatalunin mo lang ang Mapua sa puro opensa eh. you have to make stops. Pagka ganyan na nasa backward, Escamis, Concepcion, yan.
Oh, a technical foul called.
Medyo taunting.
All right, let's review the clip. Bagay scores and then, whoa. That's a no-no.
Ika ano na yan, ika 5 or 6 na baskets in a row. Unstoppable yung Bagay. Pag tinapat mo, malaki. Kaya niya tirahan sa labas. Pag maliit naman,
Yun lang, coach, tinawagan siya ng
mismatch.
technical foul doon.
yeah, you have to control your shot doon. Sometimes yung ano mo, you have to keep your poise.
Nadala si Jude eh. Alam niya mainit siya eh.
Yes. Oh, pinasok na rin si Angeles.
Ayan.
Kinal and Lucero.
Yeah, Angeles had a solid first half. 3 out of 3 from beyond the arc, coach.
Yes, oo. Grabe, napakataas ang percentage. And talagang kailangan bigyan mo ng bola. Pero ngayon, sinosona nila.
Escamis on the pull-up. Escamis, a little bit short. Lucero,
Kita.
stolen away by Escamis. Sapasap is running. Sapasap will finish. A running Mapua is a dangerous Mapua. This was in their championship DNA.
Mabigat sa transition offense ang Mapua Cardinals. Kaya kailangan sometimes pipiliin mo rin yung yung timing din kailangan. Pagka nakipagsabayan ka sa Mapua, medyo delikado ka dyan. With Escamis, Gonzales, Recto, lahat pwede magdala ng bola at saka sa pasap. Tsaka pulido pagdating nila sa transition offense.
Fast break points. There you see the comparison. Loristo finishing at the rim. And Coach Randy Alcantara calls a timeout. Ganda ng pasa. Lucero finding Loristo.
Good eye contact, you know, especially from guard kay Loristo. Mahirap pumasa ng gano'n, ha, Tony?
Oo. Tsaka kailangan, alam mo kung high flyer yung papasahan mo, coach.
Yes, sometimes yun ang medyo kulang sa mga big man natin. Sometimes nagsisil sila or humingi ng lob, pero walang eye contact. Hindi mo rin talaga ibibig. Kung guard ako, hindi mo rin talaga ipapasa eh. So you have to establish yung eye contact sa mga guards.
So, Escamis will take a breather. Gonzales, Cuenco, Sapasap, Recto, and Edward Ryan are in. Gonzales will head to the line for two.
Talagang he will really attack the gaps. Ito si Gonzales. Pag nakakita talaga ng gap, papasukin at papasukin. And ikaw, vulnerable ng team para sa ganyan easy penetration.
Second free throw para kay Gonzales. is up and in. Lucero with a crossover. Lucero falling down. Players diving for the ball.
Possession in favor of the Blue Cardinals. Substitution, Cyrus Ventura.
And look at this. Look at the chase for that leather.
Good move para kay Loristo kasi hindi niya makukuha eh. He will just sprint to the ball. So, mas better yung ano niya. Pag-secure niya sa bola.
Cuenco. Sapasap. Aggressive drive. Netura. The tip in. Cuenco. Eto na ba? Still looking for that breakthrough three.
Ayaw talaga bumaon. Yeah, it's a good shot coming from Cuenco. Talagang wala lang. Talagang good look naman eh.
Coach, Cuenco has been 0 for 14 in these past 2 games. He was 0 for 11 in the previous outing, so he's been ice cold.
Yes, oo. Naghahanap ng, as a shooter, naghahanap pa ng rhythm yan eh. Sometimes yung ano niya, yung marami siyang hinahanap na timing siguro.
Cuenco. Gonzalez spins. Gonzalez, no. Lucero. Lucero scores on the break.
Smart move, quick release niya agad. Nakita niya yung one-on-one na sila ni Cuenco doon. Tinake off agad. May quick release. Ayun. Kahit matangkad si Cuenco.
Gonzalez. Netura. Short.
Patibayan na lang ito na zona.
Lucero na naman. Pinasa kay Kinal. Kinal for 3. Short. Angeles with the board.
Medyo ina-out hustle ng EAC Generals ng mga wing guys ng Mapua Cardinals.
Shanoda. Shanoda pulls up. Loristo against 3 Mapuans. Angeles, sorry miss.
Sayang yon. But they have to execute. Both teams kailangan i-execute nila. Medyo hindi sila nakaka-convert sa transition.
Gonzalez. Netura. Can they see Cuenco, who's wide open? Lucero has been on today. 11 points for the speedy guard.
5.3 seconds on the shot clock. 5.3 seconds to shoot.
Ryan. Cuenco. Finally! Cyrus Cuenco. His first made triple in 2 games. Lucero. Too strong. Hit the back rim.
Sayang yun. Libre.
Mapua up by 6. Last shot opportunity. Sapasap wants a clear out. EJ Sapasap crossover. Sapasap, that's traveling.
Good call. Para sa mga referees natin. Talagang dead center ang tama doon. Talagang it's really traveling.
Shot was short, and that will do it for the 3rd quarter. The Mapua Cardinals coming alive. Cyrus Cuenco, finally, his first made triple in 2 games. And the Cardinals head into the 4th with a 69-63 advantage. 69-63 is our official tally. The Mapua Cardinals lead the EAC Generals as we are greeting you from the Mall of Asia Arena here in Pasay City. Anton Rojas alongside Coach Jerry Codinera, and we have Flo Del Agua at courtside. Shanoda. And Shanoda was fouled.
Grabe din ang creativity dito ni Lucero, you know? Halos hindi niya na makita yung papasahan with all the yellow play. Yung mga Cardinals doon, talagang ang singit na zona, pero somehow naipapasa pa rin niya.
So that's the way Lucero plays. He's a risky type of player, a risk taker. Kinal, long ball, in and out. Escamis with the board. Escamis calls the play. Escamis gets it back. Sapasa for three. And the foul away from the ball as Kinal is holding on to his ankle.
Medyo napuruhan dito si Kinal. I think it's a sprain. Mukhang pinagpaglag. Oh, pwede.
Well, the good news is Kinal is okay now. But this is now the biggest lead of the game for Mapua. Shanoda. Shanoda, binigay dito kay Angeles. Angeles is able to score.
Good po. Narinig ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, yeah, keep shooting.
Pasa muna natin kay Flo Del Agua.
Pero
Anton and Coach Jerry, earlier today, Clint Escamis gave me a huge smile on his face that could be felt in all corners of their dugout. You know, for someone who has been the talk of the town because of certain expectations, Clint Escamis told me I remain faithful to the process. He also told me, aminado ko, nahihirapan ako na mag-adjust ng aking skill sets. Nag-alisan yung mga guards namin, so I had to go out of my comfort zone. With this, I had to ask the MVP, will this be the game where you finally get out of your slump? And with the remaining minutes of this game, we shall remember how Clint answered me with controlled confidence. I certainly hope so. Back to you, gentlemen.
Well, we have our answer already. Hindi pa tapos yung laro, but Clint Escamis already gave us his answer. He is back. 18 points for the rookie MVP, the finals MVP, the NCAA champion. And that was his third assist, giving it to EJ Sapasap. Okay, so crazy stat from our Sultan of Stats, Mr. Pong Docanes. In Mapua's previous 3 games, Escamis totaled 18 points in those 3 games. But today, he already has 18.
ayan, it's just a validation on how good he is. Alam mo, Escamis, hindi tama na yun. Tama na yung 6 points per game. Ito na. Ayan, 18 points. So he's looking forward na, I think, aabot ng 20 points yan. Masyado pa maaga. Kaya pa.
I think it's time that Clint reminded everybody of who he is. Because Clint Escamis scoring in single digits is so not him. He's had 2 games this season where he just scored 2 points. He had 1 game this season where he scored 4 points. That is not the Clint Escamis that we know.
Of course, Ton, alam nga ng mga sign ng isang superstar eh. You have to validate yourself every single day, every single game. Kailangan nakikita nila yung galing mo.
Escamis, too strong. Kinal with the board. Ochavo, in and out. Concepcion with the rebound.
Medyo is not the best shot. Medyo yung Angeles nasa left side mo. Well, open. Okay lang.
Clint Escamis with a step back, the familiar step back by Escamis. 75-67. Igliane. Escamis wants to post up Ochavo, and that's a foul on Ochavo.
Holding foul of number 88, Kyle Ocampo. That's his second personal, 2 on EAC.
Medyo may advantage dito si Clint. Kaya he's looking forward to attack inside eh.
Sapasap has the ball. Sapasap. Oh! Sapasap wrapping it over his defender. Ochavo. Omandak. Omandak, 3 ball. Oh! Ochavo! Put back attempt. Sayang yun.
Nakakagulat yun.
Coach, marami silang mga tirang tutukan na, pero hindi nako-convert.
Yes, oh, yung finishing eh. Yung finishing. Kailangan yun, importante. How you finish your shot.
So Sapasap and Escamis will take a breather. Angeles will take a breather for EAC. Postanes checks in. Cuenco for 3.
Kita mo yung tiwala talaga naman kasama ni Cuenco. Hinahanap talaga siya eh.
Cyrus Cuenco, turnaround jump hook. 10-point lead for Mapua.
Medyo lumalayo na rito, Ton. Dito ang Mapua Cardinals. Kailangan. They have to make some baskets. Ayun nga. Postanes.
Mahirap na tira.
Imagine, malamig to ha. Off the bench.
Gonzalez. Binigay muna kay Concepcion. Concepcion to Cuenco. Cuenco. Cuenco to Igliane. Igliane. Castillo. Postanes. Castillo. Pomandak. Postanes. Sayang.
Sayang.
Bitin lang.
Diretsong tira. Pero bagay was there. He's asking for a post. Pero sige lang. Okay lang. Tumama ka na isa. Baka dumalawa pa eh.
Igliane. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Wild pass. Yung ganong klaseng pasa, coach, dapat mga Allwell Oraime. Yung pinapasahan mo.
Oh, medyo mataas yun. Mataas yung pasa.
Oh!
Masyadong madikit si Gonzalez, no? You know, the guards, they can sense it eh. Pagka medyo umaagaw ka.
Ochavo. Postanes. Bagay. Omandak. And Postanes comes up with a board.
Na-out-hustle ng mga generals tong Mapua when it comes to rebounding.
Ochavo. Concepcion dives for it. Mapua has the numbers. Oh, offensive foul called on Igliane.
Illegal screen.
Joshua Valentino for Kyle Ocampo.
All right. Earlier we saw Kinal seemingly tweak his left ankle. Let's get an update from Flo Del Agua.
Anton and Coach Jerry, big development once again for the side of EAC Generals. Unfortunately, Assistant Coach Noy Catalan told me a few minutes ago, Nico Canal may not be returning to this game dahil medyo kumalas daw yung kanyang shooting shoulder. Right now, he even went to the dugout because he is screaming in pain with that pain on his shoulder. So let's see how this will impact the game. For now, back to you guys.
Oh, wow. That's huge. So we thought it was an ankle pero shoulder daw yung iniinda ngayon.
Oo.
Ni Nico Kinal.
Medyo mahirap yun. Talagang mukhang hindi na makakabalik si Kinal.
Gonzalez just in time. Cyril Gonzalez with a floater. 5 Mapuans in double digits in this game.
Ilang minutes na rin din nakaka-convert ang EAC Generals dito sa sitwasyon na to.
Castillo. Postanes.
Matigas yung Gonzalez. Hindi mo basta ka makakadrive.
Postanes, wild shot. And there's Nico Kinal stretching that right shoulder. Nakakatakot yung word na kumalas and screaming in pain. But looks like he wants to come back in this game, Coach. He's stretching out that shoulder.
Baka siguro na hyperextend lang, pero mukhang playable
Oo, sabi, as reported by Flo, sabi daw ni Assistant Coach Noy Catalan, hindi na makakabalik, but that's a fighter for you. Gonzalez, good on the first.
Medyo lumalaki na ang score dito, Ton.
Yep.
And I'd like to give credit din sa backcourt defense ng Mapua Cardinals. Solid ball, yung mga on-the-ball defense sila. Cuenco, Gonzalez, Antitibay. Hindi mo sila basta-basta maboblobay dito.
Time of EAC Generals.
We'll take a break. Back with the conclusion of this matchup between Mapua and EAC in a bit. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena here in Pasay City. You see the Emilians here. As the school has been in a very good mood these past 4 games, winning 3 out of those 4 games. In contrast to that, Mapua has been struggling. Unfamiliar territory, especially in these past 3 seasons. Their first 3-game losing skid in the Escamis era.
Nice way, no? Nice team para mag-comeback, ano?
Yeah.
Yung 3-game winning streak. Itong EAC Generals, tinalo mo.
Cuenco with a block.
You see the confidence ng nila Coach Randy. Even si Scamis, nasa loob na, nasa bench, sa pasap, ni Tura. Yun, mga key players ni Coach Randy, binibigyan niya ng time yung mga ibang players to perform.
Your referees will review something here. Silipin natin. Let's join the investigation. There's the block by Cuenco, and then trying to see if the ball hit Cuenco as it went out.
Parang sa likod tumama eh. Cuenco.
Wow, it's Mapua basketball.
Mapua.
You know, Coach, we have to take into consideration also na EAC has been playing with a handicap in this game. Kasi nga wala si Oftana.
Yes, other than his scoring, he's a big body there na hindi mo basta-basta, you know, ma-atake yung interior defense ng EAC Generals. Ang laking bagay ni Oftana dito.
But of course, situations like that happen in sports, and next man up mentality has to be key. And now Mapua trying to cruise to a victory. Escamis crossover, pull up for three. Angeles. Shanoda. Tolentino. Castillo, baseline jumper is good for the rookie. Good elevation on that jumper by EJ Castillo.
Medyo favorite niya yung spot na yan eh. Yan. Short corner, pull up.
Gonzalez. Cuenco. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Igliane for three. Igliane shorts. And Escamis almost coming up with a steal.
Well, it's a good hustle coming from the MVP. Ganda ng dive ni Clint doon. Yun, no?
That's the effort that you need to see for your top guy. And Coach Gerson Cabiltes calls a timeout with 1 minute and 51 remaining here in the fourth. Mamaya mga kapuso, 2:30 p.m. It is LPU versus Benilde. Benilde coming off a loss in their previous outing against Perpetual. So they hope to bounce back. Mapua starters in their last 3 games averaging just 31 points. Today, the starters have combined for 48 points, Coach.
Solid yun. I'm sure talagang pinaghandaan nila itong game na to. Talagang back to the drawing board sila, and everything talaga work well with Mapua from the defense all the way sa offense nila.
Castillo, this is off a timeout. Escamis with a rebound. Oh, that's a foul on Clint. Na-traffic si Clint doon.
Oo.
Na-excite si Clint sa rebound eh. That's probably the highest I've seen Clint go up for a rebound. So they're calling it an offensive foul on Escamis.
Correction, that's offensive foul on number 0, Clint Escamis.
Intensity talaga ni Clint, no? all the way. Whether defending, scoring.
Castillo. Castillo with a pull-up.
Kobe. Step moves.
Yeah, a lot of Kobe Bryant influence in his game for sure as Concepcion lays it in.
But medyo they're poor in transition defense. Yung EAC Generals, you cannot celebrate after that. Everyone, all of them has to sprint back on defense. Diyan mabilis ang Mapua Cardinals If you see Gonzales, Escamis, atake yan.
Cuenco. 10 on the shot clock. Cyrus from the logo. Cyril with the rebound. Gonzales to Escamis, and Escamis will milk the clock. Gonzales baseline drive. Oh, sorry miss.
Sayang yun.
Good move by EJ Castillo. And Castillo averaged more than 18 points per game in the juniors last year. And Concepcion beating the defense down the floor.
Medyo siguro nagse-set in na rin yung baka yung fatigue factor ng EAC Generals after winning how many games? And you're going up against your fourth win sana against Mapua na a championship caliber team.
And they played without their top guy, Wilmar Oftana.
Oo.
So it was a tough game for them to begin with. Escamis getting it across. This is going to be a Mapua win. Mapua is going to end their losing skid. Escamis is fouled. So Escamis with a chance to finish with a 20-piece. He's 3 for 4 today from the free throw line.
Talagang ganda rin talaga nung pagka-start niya talagang in-involve niya ng kasama niya. Sign of maturity for a player.
19 for Escamis. Escamis has only had 3 double-digit games. He's had one 29-point outing against Arellano, a 14-point game, and now a 20-point game.
You can really say na malalim din yung Mapua. There are players talaga na can score given the right pass.
And that will do it. 85-78, the Mapua Cardinals end their 3-game losing skid behind the 20 points of their main man, Clint Escamis. And he also had 4 rebounds, 4 assists, and 2 steals. This is normal for Clint Escamis. It was abnormal for him the past 3 games. But now, it's back to regular programming.
Ganda. Good performance coming from an MVP. Talagang he's a leader by example. Hindi lang talagang kita niya talaga. Binuhos niya lahat dito sa game.
All right, we'll listen to the alma mater hymns and then get to our post-game coverage. 85-78, our final score. The Mapua Cardinals end their 3-game losing skid. We'll take a break and be back with our post-game coverage with interviews, so don't go away.